Titus. Little runt I picked up earlier, little gray. Carrying him gently by the scruff. I'm putting him right next to his babies, brothers and sisters. I'm letting him go today because he's just big enough and I've hydrated him enough and fed him some food. There's his little sister. There's his mama. There's Dad Baloo. I don't know what to name the others because they don't really seem to have any personality. Except for her. She's snobby. Oh, snobby. But that's Pumpkin's daughter. Looks just like her, but she has Baloo's eyes so far. Oh, Baloo doing a good job of protecting the family. Yeah. And there's Primrose. I think she's a previous older litter. Come on over here. She's kind of got a starry look to her eyes. I might name that one Starfire. I saved, I think, that one from a Sonic Cup yesterday. This little cat family picnic. Here's the tortoiseshell mama. I call Pumpkin in case no one heard. Yeah. And little Titus is exploring off on his own. He's near his family. He's been wanting to do this for days. And I was like, I did have a lot of work. I still do have a lot of work to do. And carrying him around. It was fun taking care of him. He's back with his mama now. They like to, these alley cats, like I said, they like to go run off. Little couple growls. Well, don't choke, guys. Jeez. There we go. Oh, little Titus is having fun with his sister. Plus, I feel like I needed to let him go so he could bond with his siblings and get close to his mom. Although Titus is a wanderer. Titus! Your mom will find you, good gosh. So this little picnic day video, I sent Titus off. I'm about to go collect wood in a little bit. Grumpy cat. There you are, Titus. There you are. Pumpkin seems to misplace her babies a lot of the time, but she seems to know where they are. And I made sure Baloo was okay seeing him. He doesn't mind. He's like the big male Tom that watches over most of the babies. I just had a feeling I had to let him go and let him be with his family. Yeah. But that's it for the stray hobo alley cats picnic. Hello, Baloo. Hello, handsome daddy. Hello, pretty mama. You have such lovely babies. Yeah. I'll name like one of the other ones Cole. I don't know if they're like all male or female. I think they're like 3 males and only 1 female. Starfire, Cole, and might record a cat fight. These are not my cats, so if a fight breaks out, it's totally natural. These are just the hobo cats that come up on my porch. Ooh, there goes Primrose. Hello, here's my cat, Totos. Totos. Close up, Totos. Totos. Hi. Say hello. Show your pretty eyes. Aw, don't be nervous. So Primrose, be nice. You little douche. Oh. Well, there y'all go. I'm gonna go collect some wood now. Bye.